In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Hostinger. If you're ready to streamline your web hosting experience, adding a reliable payment option is a crucial step. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, let's log into your Hostinger account. You'll want to use your credentials to enter the dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's always helpful to be comfortable navigating around, especially if you're going to be managing your website or services frequently. Now, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. You've probably noticed your profile icon there. Go ahead and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. You're going to want to select Billing. With Hostinger, everything related to your financials is conveniently grouped under the Billing section, making it easy to manage. Once you're in the Billing section, you'll see a tab labeled Payment Methods. This is your destination. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can view your current payment setup. It's likely that if this is your first time adding a payment method, this section may be blank. But no worries, we're about to change that. To add your new payment method, there should be an Add Payment Method button clearly visible. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Hostinger lets you choose from a variety of payment options, including credit cards and services like PayPal, which accommodates personal preferences as well as different financial situations. For a credit card, you'll need to input your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back of your card. It's important to double-check these numbers to avoid any errors that could prevent transactions from going through later on. If using PayPal, you'll simply need to log into your PayPal account and authorize the connection. After entering your information, make sure to review it for accuracy. Typos or incorrect details could lead to frustrating issues down the road, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, hit the Save or Add button to complete the process. Hostinger will then verify your payment method. This step is usually quick, but in some cases, there may be a brief delay while your details are processed and confirmed as valid. Once verified, your payment method is officially added and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method in Hostinger. This not only simplifies paying for services but also ensures that your hosting experiences progress smoothly. Remember, you can always return to this section if you need to add another method or make changes. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!